Hey, future affiliate guru, want to crush it in affiliate marketing? Start with a killer website. First things first, pick a reliable platform. WordPress is a fan favorite. It's like the Swiss Army knife of website builders. It's super easy to use, even if you're not a tech wizard. Next, get a snazzy domain name. Make it catchy and easy to remember. Think of it as your online street address. You want people to find you, right? Now let's talk about design. Keep it clean and simple. No one likes a cluttered site. Use a theme that's appealing but doesn't distract. Content is king. Fill your site with valuable info. Write blog posts, product reviews, and guides. Be the helpful friend your audience can trust. Don't forget those affiliate links. Place them strategically where they'll get noticed, but won't overwhelm your readers. Balance is key. SEO is your bestie. Use keywords to help your site show up in search results. It's like giving your site a VIP pass to the internet. Lastly, be mobile friendly. Lots of people surf the web on their phones. Make sure your site looks good on all devices. And there you have it. Your roadmap to a killer affiliate marketing site. Got more questions? Drop a comment below. Happy marketing!